Welcome to this Pixotope tutorial. In this video, I will give a brief overview of the Pixotope Director. When you first start up Director, you'll need to choose the role for your machine. You can choose between Client, Server, and Standalone. Choose Standalone for a single machine production. Choose Client for all machines in a multi-machine production which connect to a server and work on the server's open show. Select Server for the machine in a multi-machine production which stores or owns the show file. A server hosts Pixotope's multi-machine network, allowing clients to connect and work on the same projects. A server machine also runs the asset hub and holds its cache. The Pixotope Director is designed with a virtual production workflow in mind. It's built around the main steps of production, reflected in its different views. The Start view is where you manage your shows and machine settings. Once you select a show, the setup and production views will be unique to that show. The Setup view is dedicated to the initial technical configuration, such as camera tracking and video routing. The Production view is meant for the day-to-day operations. Here you can make adjustments to your level, such as keying, compositing, and color grading. In the Start view, you have the Shows panel, which lists all your local shows. Here you can create, open, and manage your shows. You also have the Machine settings, where you can change your system configuration, such as role, network, and storage. The Launch panel is available in both Setup and Production view. Here you'll only see the levels and control panels of your selected open show. In the Show settings, you have the options to edit your project path, import the configuration and calibration settings from another show, and adjust your base and default settings. Under Configure is the Machines panel, which allows you to view and configure your machines from a single location. The Camera Tracking panel is where you set up the incoming camera tracking data, such as protocol and lens settings. The Routing panel is where you set up the incoming and outgoing video signals, as well as timecode and genlock. Under Calibrate, the Tracking panel is where you can apply offsets to the lens and camera positions for the incoming tracking data. Below the Tracking panel, we have the Delays panel. Here you can adjust the delays for each signal in order to match up the tracking data and video input perfectly. And Color Matching for matching AR set extensions and LED walls for XR productions. Under Diagnostics, you have the Connections panel where you can verify the network quality, along with the Health panel where you can check the machine status, including CPU and GPU temperatures, RAM usage, and GPU utilization. Designed for the day-to-day operations, the Production view contains panels for regular adjustments. The adjustment panels provide a convenient way to make live adjustments on running levels on single or multi-machine setups without having to open the Pixotope editor. The Video Keyer panel is where you can set up the Pixotope internal chroma keyer. In the I/O Effects panel, you can find effects which are applied in the Video I/O service. The Composite panel allows you to adjust how your 3D graphics and video are composited together. The Effects panel allows you to add various post-processing effects to the 3D graphics as well as the video. And the Color Grading panel allows you to adjust the color grading for global, shadows, midtones and highlights, as well as to adjust the white balance. The Object panel is where you can change the properties or make transformations to any object in your level. And the XR panel gives you access to all XR-related settings available in the editor. Finally, we have the Status bar. Here you can monitor the status of all connected machines. You can stop and restart services, as well as close or reload levels. For more information on this, or any other Pixotope subject, please visit the Pixotope Help Center, link in the description.